This is Julien, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube, but not only, I also make French pronunciation videos, and this is a typical example of an area of France that not only makes some fantastic wines, but that is also an area that is fantastic to visit. Of course, Savoie is in the heart of the French Alps. So fantastic skiing in Savoie, some fantastic ski resorts, fantastic food, and of course some fantastic wines that go so well with the local food based on cheeses and charcuteries, the cured meats, and so much more. So how do you go about pronouncing Savoie? Well, do not say Savoie, but rather Savoie. The E at the end of Savoie is definitely silent, so you can just ignore it. Just pretend it finishes with OI, which in French sounds like OA, OA. So Savoie, Savoie. The typical French pronunciation, Savoie, Savoie, Savoie. But it'd be fine in English or American to say Savoie, Savoie, Savoie. I hope this video was useful. If it was, give it a quick thumb up before you go to support my work. Here are more videos about French pronunciation. I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine and perhaps French wine pronunciation as well. Au revoir. Bye-bye.